Thank you. Hi, Ronnie. This is the things we do in Walmart. Hey, my Nikki Charmers. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a vlog style type of video of taco/game night that I did on Cinco de Mayo. I don't know why it took me so long to post this video. It's content of what I bought, me setting up, and you getting to see me hang out with my friends. So I just got back from doing an event. So I went to my mailbox and I came home to a bunch of orders. As you can see, I opened most of it already, but I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon to prep for my Cinco de Mayo taco night game night party. So I got some plastic Margarita glasses. I have some real ones just for the setup, but for everybody, we'll be drinking out of this, and I'm going to customize it and put everybody's name on it. And then we have the games that we'll be playing. I got this replica of Django or whatever you want to call it. I just got it because it was color coded. I'm actually gonna write some stuff on it just to make game night a little fun, so we could actually be lit. I have this other game that I found on Amazon. I'm not too familiar with it, but it seemed cool, so I just got it for game night. We may or may not play it because I also have Uno, so we'll see how the night goes. It was called 5-Second Rule, uncensored. So I don't know if you guys have played it before, but let me know how it is, if it is fun or whatnot. But we'll see. Going on. I already opened some of these things because I got excited when it arrived and I just opened and forgot to film. So I'm just showing you now. These are the actual napkins, Mexican themed napkins for my layout. And then these placemats that I'm gonna put on the countertop with some chargers and plates. I also got these frozen margarita in the bag. It's like frozen margarita mix, and you just add your tequila or whatever you want to put in there. And I've seen a lot of good reviews, so I hope it tastes good. I mean, what's Cinco de Mayo without margaritas? So we'll see how it tastes, but it had good reviews, so I'm hoping that it's good. I got some string lights from my balcony, so I can hang these outside and make it be a vibe. So this should be fun. Also, I couldn't forget my little beard that I dressed up. I bought this from Amazon. It was a set with the poncho and the sombrero. So we'll see how everything comes together. Yeah, I thought it was cute. That's about it from Amazon. I got some other things from like Target and Walmart and Dollar Tree, and so I'll be doing like mini hauls on everything. You'll see throughout the video. Some of the things I got from Walmart. I got some streamers to decorate with my balloons. I got some, of course, balloons to decorate. I'll be decorating this wall, my ceiling, and also on my balcony. So we'll see how everything just comes together. But I'm excited. Can't wait for you guys to see. I also got these straws from Amazon as well. To be honest, I feel like I could have just bought these straws from Dollar Tree and these little umbrellas and put them on myself, but it is what it is. And then I opened this already, but I got these cute little maracas as well on Amazon, which I think will go perfect with my set. So here's what I got from Target. Nothing too special. I just got one thing, which were these plates that I thought were cute and went with the theme. It looks like Aztec a little bit. It's plastic and it's orange. It's pretty. So I'll go with my table setup. But not least is what I got from Dollar Tree, which were these glass margarita glasses. And they're actually very heavy, so it's good quality. These are cute. Goes with my aesthetics. That's it for the haul for the decor, I think. But for the most part, I think I'm good. I'm just ready to start setting up. Today is Saturday, so I'll probably start decorating by maybe Tuesday since Cinco de Mayo falls on a Thursday. So I can't wait for you guys to see what it's in store. Here's a little sneak peek of the mock-up table setting. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm showing you a little tutorial of how to create a tassel garland. You want to start with some string and a plastic tablecloth. Most things I got from Dollar Tree. You want to find space to hang the string so you can connect your tassels to it. I'm using my knot lamps. Once you take your tablecloth out the package, you want to unravel it and fold it in half. Line it up all together so you'll be able to cut it easily. Once you fold it in half, you'll need a pair of scissors and a ruler. Once you fold it in half, you want to cut it down the side so you have two different parts. Now time to cut the strings. I'm using my X-Acto knife to cut. Once I cut it in half, I'm actually taking each part and folding them back in half so it's easier to make the tassels. And I'm using my Cricut mat so I do not cut through the floor with the X-Acto knife. Make sure you have something to protect underneath. Now we're ready to start cutting. I'm just using my ruler to make straight edges. And this is how your string should look to create your tassels. And I continue this process until there's no more tablecloth left. And you know I had to vibe out per usual. Now that all my tassels are cut, now it's time to add it to the string. I'm just wrapping the tablecloth around and creating a loop. As you can see, I'm giving you a closer view of it. And you want to pull on it so it doesn't come apart. And we continue this process until there's no more tablecloth left. You can actually add more tablecloth if you like. And me, of course, being silly. Moving on. So there's a lot of stuff for my Margarita glasses. I'm customizing it for the party. So I'm using my little Cricut to make little labels and put it on the glass. So let's see the end result. My little glasses over there, as you can see. Hey guys, so I'm trying to figure out what should I wear for this Cinco de Mayo taco night. Should I be cute and comfy, casual, which is cute with this little, I guess the off the shoulder, not necessarily, but it can be off the shoulder, peasant top. Little frills, like it's very detailed in the back. It's cut out, just cute as well. And I paired it with some jeans. I actually rolled up the top of it because it's a little loose at the bottom. I could let it carry out if I want to. That see if it looks loose. So I think I would just end up more like a, not necessarily crop top, I guess, if you want to call it that. Yes, this is option number one. Let me know what you think. I put my little flower headband since it's Cinco de Mayo. Trying to go with the concept. So here's option number two, which is a little short, cute, frilly dress off the shoulder. Puff sleeves, which I like as well. I can wear it with the headband. I can wear it without. Just let me know what you think because the video obviously will be out after Cinco de Mayo. So, and then this is the last option, which is a short little denim dress, front to back. I don't love it, but it's cute because it's casual, but I also don't like the smell of it. So it's funny, I don't know if it's the material or what, but I'm not feeling it like that, so I'll probably be saying no to this. And all these outfits I ordered are from ASOS, so you'll go look on ASOS and shop and see what you could get. And then this is it with the headband. And like I said, it's not the best fitting for me because I feel like it's loose up here. It fits right here, but it's tight down here. So comment down below and let me know which one looks the best for Cinco de Mayo. So today is May 4th and it's the day before Cinco de Mayo, so I'm getting ready to start the decorations, prep the balloons, hang what needs to be hung. And then I'll be heading to the grocery store, get what's needed, and then we'll come back and start prepping stuff. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, so we're on our way to grocery shop at Walmart and some other stores just to pick up a few things, and then we're heading back to my place to finish decorating and prepping whatever we need to prep. So I'll see you then.
Throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life. And I can put you in. Fast lane, I want to change by the glamorous. Ooh, flows, it flows. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time I get around my family. Making sure they never downsize. I got visions of my mom saying, wait, this house mine. Can't lie, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on the bandwagon now, about time. I ain't even got no downtime. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne. Living my life in the fast lane. I want to change.
Guys, welcome to Cinco de Mayo, where we're turning up right now. So I'll show you the decorations and everything.
But then they fire like 30% of the high anyway. No, they fire every April they fire. So when 41 numbers come, you didn't do good? You fire.
We're having a photo shoot before we play the game. Okay, Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, I love it!
Hey, hi guys. You ready for the game?
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Now look.
Are you guys, is he like the mediator trying to blow up?
I'm not. You be in love with your father.
No, okay, so he... I don't know how to play games.
They couldn't play 5 seconds, now they can't play Jenga.
Nikki, you go to I'm not. So take but I will attempt to twerk. Alright. I feel like you're a jerk.
We got the people over here that's chilling, ish. And then we got the other ones that's playing games.
Like this, push it. Like that. Go ahead. You're gonna help me now.
Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. This is a dead happy birthday. Candles for your birthday. It's your candle.
They don't.
That's the same candle for yours.
What the fuck is up with the night? Y'all got one of those? Yeah. Blow them out. Blow them out, goddammit. I wish they gonna come keep you on blow them out.
I'm not doing this. Hold it up right now. Hold it up. Hold it up.
hell no.
Think of somebody you dislike.
So this is the dress I decided to go with. It was cute, fun, and flirty, and everybody loved it. So even though I felt like it was extra, it was right on theme. So this was it, and it was cute and fitted. So that's it for this vlog. The birthday girl enjoyed her night, so that's all that matters. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more vlogs like this, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah!